This is 2013 Honda Civic Si. We are changing out the radio. They will need a dash kit. Metro makes the dash kit called 957882B. 40-HD11 is the antenna adapter and a harness. Right, the first thing we're going to do is open this pocket. There's a screw right here facing toward the rear, and there should be two Phillips screws right here. I'm going to remove them. After that, this pocket comes out. Okay. And after that, we're going to remove those two screws on the bottom of the panel. And it should be 2 8mm on the part of the radio. Yes, show that. Give me that. And those 2 8mm right there, we're going to remove that on that metal crossbar, those 2 8mm right there. So after you're removing two screws up here, 2 8mm on the bottom, you're just going to simply pry this entire radio face out. Go up a little bit because there's some metal underneath. So this metal piece is hitting this bottom plate here, so you gotta kind of lift it up and pull. This is what's hitting. So after you're disconnecting all the harnesses, the radio can be removed. We're also gonna do a steering wheel control. I'm using a PAC SWI RC-1. I'll show you online. That's the dip switch setting. This is the wiring diagram. You're going to have to remove the heater control panel, air vent, and the hazard switch. The old screws. Basically remove all the screws, transfer over to new dash kit. The wiring is very simple. Match the colors. Whatever don't match, don't use. For the steering wheel control we are using, you use the blue wire here on this pan looking connector. Number 3 right there, there's a heavy gauge blue wire on the top. There's third one from the left looking at this top tab. And that's the data signal for the steering wheel control. You just simply connect the constant wire and the ground wire. And set the dip switch. That's the PAC module. Can you move that? I don't have an antenna.
Change the station.
We had no sound because we forgot to connect the amp turn on, which is a blue-white wire.
experience. Fortunately, Future Health can connect, be prescribed, and get meds delivered to your door within 20. TryFH.com. That's TryFH.com. Find out if weight loss meds are right for you in just 3 minutes at TryFH.com. TryFH.com. Future Health
It
is
works.
De lo que pasó.
Hay un saludo a la familia Sainz.
No se les olvide y ahí ustedes nos responden cuando tengan un tiempito para poderlo compartir y aquí están las preguntas.
Yes. Bueno, nuestro apóstol compartió que fue con propósito, no simplemente morir por morir, sino con esa muerte el propósito era darnos vida,
Amén.
vida eterna, vida en abundancia.
It works.
Y
You also have to remove these 3 screws that comes off and gets mounted on this top, on the bottom actually. Basically, it just snaps back in and put 2 screws on the bottom. That's it. You run the microphone up here, run the wire down, back of the radio, plug back in. Weather.
Lo siento, no entiendo lo que dices. En estos momentos está lloviendo y hay una temperatura de 4 grados. Se esperan cielos